Hello, this is my fifth video in LWC series. So in this video, I will teach you how to display the toast message into the LWC and how to navigate the page into the LWC. So this is my LWC component, and inside I display the button. So what is the use of button? So first I press the success button, so you can see the success toast message will be displayed, same as error, warning and info. So this is my toast message. So how to display into the LWC? So let's jump into the LWC. So this is my LWC page. Here is my LWC HTML page, and this is my JS file. So first I am display the for button into my HTML. So first one is the show success, second show error, show warning and show info. They all button have a one on click event, and on click event we are add the handle error, handle warning and handle info function. So if you want to display the show toast into your LWC, so first you have to import the library which LWC will provide us. So platform form show toast event. This is my library which I import into the top of my LWC JS page. The second thing, when I press the show success button, so this function will be called into the JS side, so which is here. So and in function we are called show toast function and pass the success parameter. So show toast function is created here. So show toast function have a type success, and which I handle using the switch statement. So first type is success, so it is checked. The success type is match. So here we are pass title is success and message is operation completed successfully, and then break. And here is the code to display the toast message. So in this code we are dispatch the show toast event which is imported into the previous. So it is predefined, so only we have to pass the parameter and the call. So it is pre-default, so only for we are passing the property and call, so automatically toast message is displayed to my LWC. So first we are passing the title, the name is success. The second we are passing the message which I pass here, and third is variant, which type of toast message you want to display to your LWC. So here I am passing the type success and then mode. In this mode, what is the mean of the mode? Mode is the three type: dismissible, pester and sticky. So dismissible means if your toast message is display in few minutes or few seconds and automatically vanish, so this is the dismissible. That if you pass the sticky, so your toast message is displayed. If you are not press or cancel it, so it is not be automatically vanish. It is by default sticky mode, so this is the mode. So in this case, if you press success message, so success toast type pass and title and message automatically stored, same as error according error title, error message, same as warning, yes, which I handle it. So let's see it. If I press success, so success message call and display our message title and success, and mode is dismissible, so automatically vanish. This time period is complete, same as error. But if you pass the sticky mode, so you have to press cross icon, then your toast message will be disabled, same as. So in this way you have handle, or you are using the store toast message into your LWC. So this is the way. The second thing is navigation, how to navigate the one page to other page. Suppose this is my LWC and I want to press button to open the account record page or account tab. So here first we are import the navigation mixing library, which is the capability to navigate our page into the other page. So first we are encapsulate the navigation mixing library to my lightning element, because my lightning element have no capability to navigate the page, but navigation mixing have a capability to it is expand the methods and property into my lightning element. And here you can see I have created the 6 button. All button have a unique functionality. So here this is my six button. The first button is navigate to record page, and here I have created one navigate to the record page method. This is here. So first I am using navigation mixing navigate prop, and here if you are navigate your page into some object record edit mode, so first you have to pass the type, which type. So this is my standard record page I want to open. So here I'm passing the standard record page, and here I'm passing the attribute. First we are passing the record ID, second object API name, yeah, I'm passing the account, and last is action name is edit. So what is the mean? So first navigation mixing check, I am passing the type standard record page. So this is check standard record page and check the object API name which I passed here. So this will check account name, account, and according this record ID to open the edit page mode into my lightning component. So when I press the record page, so automatically our account edit page open, which I pass the record ID. This is my record ID, Ahmedabad office 1. This is my record, and I open the edit mode. So in this way you can open the any object edit mode like this, and also you can pass view mode also be. So in this way you can open the view and edit mode using LWC to any object. The second button is navigate to object page. If you want to open any object, so you can pass here the object standard object page type and pass the object name, and action is home, so it is open contact home page. Let's see it. If I'm pressing the navigation to object page, so it is automatically redirect to my contact home page. You can see this is my contact object. It is a home tab. So this is the way you can navigate any object. The second, you can navigate LWC to any other website. So in here I'm passing the web page. If you want to navigate any website, so you have to pass the type web page, standard web page, and pass the URL. So right now I'm opening the salesforce.com website, so we are passing the URL here, and whenever I'm pressing the navigation to web page, so automate by default our Salesforce side will be open. So this is the way you can open it any site using LWC too. The or also you can open the web page same as you are passing the web page URL. Type also be same standard web page. So here you can press the button navigation for visual for page. So here whenever I press the button, so automatically my web page will be open which I created before. So you can see it same way. You can also be open the any tab into your lightning tab or any standard tab. You can open it. So right now I'm passing my lightning tab, name is LDC task, and here you can see it. You have to pass the standard name item page type. So whenever I press the button, name is navigation to tab, so by default it is redirect to my lightning tab. So in this way you can navigate your lightning tab also. The last, not a last, but if you want to navigate your any app which I created like sales service app, you have to navigate. So here you have to pass the standard app type and pass the API name into the app target. This API name is a developer name in your standard app. So whenever you pass the developer name into the app target, so here this is my developer name in sales app. So whenever I press the button navigate to app, so my sales app will be open. Sorry, here I'm passing the, I have to save it. Okay, now I am refresh the page. So what is problem? Because I'm passing the custom app, so that's why it is throw the error. Because in, if you are not passing the any custom app here, because it is throw the error. If you are using the custom app open to your LWC, so you have to pass here the URL of your custom app. So that's way you can open your custom app, but you can easily open your standard app. So here this is, I'm opening my sales app easily. You can see it, my sales application is open, but you are not opening the custom app using passing the here your custom app target name. So this is Salesforce not providing the custom app. So this is the way you can open the custom app, pass the URL to open the custom app. Now I'm opening my page. Okay, and last one is the, if in your LWC, if you are not open at a time, or you are not opening your or redirect the page at a time, so this navigation have a generate URL property. Generate URL, using generate URL you are stored the URL. Suppose in case when you are using the generate URL, suppose if you are performing some logic, then after you have to navigate the page. So in this case you have first you generate the URL, and then after you are, suppose in my LWC, first whenever my component is load, so I am generated the URL from my custom student object, and then after I'm pressing the button, so the page is open. So in this way you can generate your URL to open anytime into your page. So this is also be way to generate a URL. So here is my last button. When I press, the student object is open, which I previously generated the URL for my student object. You can see it. I passing the same as object page name and passed my custom object and home page. So here I'm pressing the button, so my student custom object page is open. You can see it. And also the second thing is, if you are using the generate URL, so you can use the window.open and pass the URL. This is the JS function to open the page in passing the blank, so it is open the new tab. So this is the two way you can open. If you are open instantly, so you are passing, and you are using store the URL, so use the generate URL, which is navigation.generate. This is the difference between navigation.mixin.navigate and navigation.mixin.navigation generate URL. So this is the way you can open. So I'm just discuss. If you want to open the record page, object page, web page, and visual page, lightning tab page, and also be using the store URL to generate function to store the URL and open it. So this is the way you can navigate page using navigation mixing library. And if you want to display the toast message, so use the show toast library. So this is the two library are provide LWC. First one is the platform show toast event, and second is navigation library. So in this way you can open other page into your LWC tool, and second is show the toast message. So thank you for watching my video.